So i-Orlando Pirates iyodlala against iMaromo Gallants le eFree State, and ifixture le bafethu sisold out iyodlala kusasa. Maningi ama-games adlala kusasa. i-Orlando Pirates iyobe iyofuna u-3 points, ifuna u-3 points, ifuna ukuvala leli gap. Le gap lesinotshwe Mamelodi Sundowns edlalayo futhi kusasa nayo idlala neKaizer Chiefs, which is another big game, yabo. So lana ngizoshaya i-lineup prediction, ngizoshaya i-lineup yami. Lineup prediction ungangenzela nawe ama-comments eyakho ongathanda idlale, but this is my lineup prediction engiyi-predicta ukuthi ngenzeka idlale kusasa, yabo, engadlala kahle futhi mase sibhekana nayo iMaromo Gallants. Menikhumbula kahle, this is the team that we beat 8-1, yabo, earlier this season, yabo. Siyodlala nayo i-return fixture le idlala le eFree State. So ipalini, first and foremost ipalini ngaqalisa uSipho China. Hlezi ngikhuluma uSipho China, angiqala ukukhuluma ngaye. This guy is one of the best goalkeepers eseseba nabo in the last 5 years, yabo. He is the best goalkeeper nje esesaba naye ku-Orlando Pirates, yabo. And uyena goalkeeper currently engimthembayo kuleya line up esinayo. Group of players we have, he's the only goalkeeper I trust at the back because he knows how to play with his feet and he has confidence, yabo. Isikhuphukile i-confidence yakhe, useyakwazi nokushouta nama-defender, yabo. Ngamthemba funa kuBafana Bafana, mayasabizwe nje kuBafana Bafana usengakwazi ukuyibamba le role edlalwa uRonan Williams, yabo. Nje uRonan Williams esaneyinkinga nje, I feel like uSipho China ngafika fit lapha. But ke ungangitshela wena ngokwakho ukuthi ungaqalisa muphi goalkeeper kule match kusasa. But for me, I would start uSipho China against iMaromo Gallants. Kuthi ngama-center backs wami, I would start uThapelo Xoki benosibisi. Thapelo Xoki benosibisi. I have seen some videos and saw some photos of Unda. Ulisanda uyajima ne-team. Ulisanda i-return yakhe imminent. Ulisanda can return anytime. But for now, I would start these two guys, yabo. Basebenzisana even though ngekho kuhle ngaleyo ndlela. Usibisi uyadlala kahle, Thapelo Xoki usathanda kubuya, but I trust uXoki to return to his former best, yabo. Xoki was one of the best defenders asasinayo last season, yabo. I trust him to return to his former ngiyathemba uzobuyela kulo Xoki lesimaziyo, yabo. Ngiyathemba ukuthi uzobuyela. But ke mase siya kwi-right wing back yami. Right wing back yami le yakule game kusasa ngaqalisa lo mfana, ngaqalisa uVan Rooyen. I know bafethu i-right wing backs nama issues. Sinama issues ka-right wing back. Mfethu uMonyane ubesesana kulimala naye, but I seen some photos uMonyane ubuyile uyajima neclub, yabo. Mjida uyajima. uLibitso limele. Libitso ngiyasadlala manje. uLibitso uyozabuye kuyisizini elandelayo. Libitso uyozabuye kwisizini elandelayo, and uShando nawo sathana kubuya kwi-injury end, yabo. Ade sagcina ukumbona uShando edlala, nawo sathana kubuya. So mina I trust uVan Rooyen la kule game kusasa. Naye uyabe neyinkinga naye uVan Rooyen, but I would trust him kwi-game kusasa because sekusadlala naye iMaromo Gallants and waperforma amnandi kuleyo game le. Waperforma amnandi kuleya game le, menikhumbula kahle waze wascora ngempela, yabo. So I would start uVan Rooyen as a right wing back yami. Wangitshela ukuthi ungaqalisa bawo, ngamqalisa uShando kule game kusasa noma ngamqalisa uVan Rooyen because uVan Rooyen ubuye abe neyinkinga zokuhamba kakhulu, abuye ayikhohlwe, yabo, iside lakhe. Mayasiza kwi-left wing back yami ngaqalisa umfana lo Dion Hotto. I will start with Dion Hotto as my left wing back because Dion Hotto bafethu uyijwayele leya position, yabo. The reason why ucoach ejwayele ukumdlalisa phezulu uHotto is because siwe singenawo ama-wingers, yabo. Right now ama-wingers asebuyile uNkode. So I will start lo mfana lo Dion Hotto as a left wing back because udlala kamnandi uHotto mezoqala as a left back because uyakwazi ukukhuphuka aye phezulu awusiza at ama-numbers phezulu. Same as uVan Rooyen uyakwazi ukuyenza leyo nto leyo. Inkinga into eboye bashaye bayahlule bayakhohlwa ukuthi kumele babuye, yabo, bayosiza ama-defender abo. Xoki benosibisi baslow sometimes, baslow. Mesuthola i-count bayahluleka u-catch up emuva, bagcine sebenza amafawula angenesidingo noma bashiwe uChina abe nenkinga lapha emuva. Kube ngathi uChina akakwazi manje ukuvimba because ama-defender akumele bayasiza emuva awekho. But ke I will start lo mfana lo uHotto as i-left wing back. Mayasiza lapha eswini I would start uMakehleni Makaula. Ngiyamthemba lapha. I trust uMakehleni Makaula, number 6. Dlala lapha deep. I would trust uMakehleni Makaula lapha bafethu. Useyijwayele le position le, useyijwayele le role, indlela adlala khona uyayimisela kule season. Le season uphamisa amasokisi kakhulu, yabo. uMakehleni Makaula is one of the players obebulawa ama-injury. Menikhumbula kahle last season ubengayitholi game time because ubelimazwa ama-injury kakhulu. Umdlalo bobuyadlala kule position uMiguel Team, another player naye ubulawa ama-injury. Miguel Team wadlala kamnandi even on the pre-season, but ke since wathola leya injury ku pre-season ube on and off. right now uMiguel Thima akabuyi usane injury namanje yabo, which worries me yabo. Umjida ngenzeka adayiswe mekuphela isizini singesazi, but ke ukhona uMakhehleni Makhawula, I would trust him to play that position yabo. Mele siye nje kwimarket siyothola enye CDM because iminyaka yakhe uMakhehleni Makhawula iyamshiya iminyaka. Mehamba uMakhehleni Makhawula bozodlala position asazi, but ke kusasa I would play uMakhehleni Makhawula kule position. Ungangitshela wena ungadlala ba lapha yabo, ungangitshela ungadlala ba. Remember last game we played bamkhipha uMakhehleni bafaka uGoodman Musele yabo. Afika I didn't rate his performance, but igoli lika alishaya lelibalekile sawuthola 3 points egoli lakhe. But ke let's see ngoba sebuyile uGoodman Musele, let's see ukuthi uyabuyela kule form yakhe ayenayo uGoodman Musele. Another player futhi naye ubulawa futhi ama injury Goodman. Let's hope the guys return to their former glory. Phambi kwaMakhehleni Makhawula, I'll start the 2 players oku Dlamini Benombatha. I know there are some issues with Tito Maswanganyi. Tito Maswanganyi wathola inokhi ngosikhathi edlala eCape Town City. Wathola inokhi ngosikhathi edlala eCape Town City. So it's highly unlikely to see him playing tomorrow. Maybe he will play because mukhumbula kahle waphuma umjida waya ngaphandle kwangena lo mfana lo uNdlondlo yabo. So I will play uDlamini sasa, start uDlamini Benombatha. Umbatha ubuyile naye wayenenokhi ngosikhathi edlala eSikhukhune United, walimala benosesana, but ke wabuya kuMbatha. Umbatha ubuyile uright. I'll start him benoDlamini. uDlamini, yes, uDlamini umdlali obuya ngakwazi ukumaka yabo, ubuya ngakwazi ukumaka, but I'll start him tomorrow because sesadlala naye Marumo Gallants and wadlala amnandi lapha sidlala against Marumo Gallants. I know Marumo Gallants maybe siyenzile homework indlela Orlando Pirates edlala ngakhona, they've seen our weakness, but I'll start these 2 kusasa yabo. Ngiyazi lapha eswini banabo nange players who are very experienced yabo. But again, it's anyone's game. Sidlalele u3 points la. Sidlalele u3 points. Ungangitshela wena ungaqalisa ba between uDlamini benelomfana lo undaba ithethwa Ndlondlo. Mayiseza ku left wing, I don't want to talk a lot about left wing yethu. Left wing yethu. Ngaqalisa lo mfana lo Mfokeng. I'll start Mfokeng as a left wing position yami. Mfokeng udlala amnandi fethu. Udlala amnandi Mfokeng awuthi angakhuphula i-level yakhe yokudlala. Yes, udlala amnandi right now, but ayikhuphule level yokudlala. Safuna ukumbona edlala phesheya. Safuna ukumbona edlala compete nabo Lamine Yamal, compete nabo Mbappe, compete nabo Vinicius Junior. Yabo, we want to see our South African born player competing in high leagues, in top leagues in Europe. Yabo, mase kuthi i-right wing yami ngaqalisa uNkota. Moha uNkota I'll start as a right wing. Remember last game wangena second half last game washintsha game for Orlando Pirates, wasinikeze assist yabo, assist ebalekile weseyihlupha impela iCape Town City. I'll start him tomorrow. Mase kuthi unumber 9 wami wakusasa I'll start uTsegofaso Mabasa. The last game we played against Marumo Gallants, I think was scored a hat-trick if I'm not mistaken. I may be wrong, but he scored the hat-trick last game we played against the Marumo Gallants. So I'll start him tomorrow. Wangitshela wena uthi yipi lineup ongayikhetha. Yipi lineup ongayi-opta for kusasa, but mina iyona lineup yami. Simple chain, uthi ma-center backs wami ulumfana luThapelo Xoki, Minosibisi, mase kuthi right wing back uBuvan Rooyen, mase kuthi left wing back kube uHotho, number 6 wami udlala deep CDM kuMakhehleni Makhawula, kuthi phambi kwakhe kube uDlamini Benombatha. Right wing yami kube lo mfana lo uNkota, mase kuthi left wing kube uMfokeng. Number 9 wami kube Mabasa sniper. Yabo, I hope to see him score another hat-trick tomorrow because he's one of the best strikers just now. One of the best strikers abakhona kuphethe Premiership. Yabo, maybe you may argue uthi iPremier League is one of the strikers too. But naye yabo ukuleyo conversation uMabasa. Lo conversation annual thing ithi lokuyale kwiAFCON 2025 mase siyodlala eMorocco. But ke asazi ngangitshela wena ilena prediction yakho, but yona le yaVana Sports ungakhohlwa usubscribe uVana Sports lo ngiyabonga abafethu for support enini yayona.